Hi everyone and welcome to High Valley Couponer. So today I am here with fall video schedule for 2019. I love doing fall video schedules. It's really fun for me just to get on here and kind of brain dump it out, tell you guys what my plans are, what I want to accomplish, what I want to do on this channel, and I just am excited for that and for the chance to do that today. So you'll notice a few things are, well, not really. A couple things are going to be no longer happening on this channel, and then we're actually going to add new things, and I'm really excited about that because I know a lot of you all are going to love, sorry for yawning, you're going to love where this channel's heading, and I'm excited. I'm really enthusiastic about where my channel is heading, where it's going. It's just going to be awesome. So, yeah. I know many of you guys have probably been wondering. I know the last couple weeks I've not been the most consistent with videos, but I'm coming back. I am coming back to being consistent with videos again. Life's been stressful. School started back up. That's just been taking a lot of time. I've just been trying to find a new normal, a new good video schedule to get accustomed to, and I'm excited to do that today. So let's just talk about my plans for the fall. This is what you guys have to expect every week. It definitely could change. It can be tentative, meaning it doesn't always happen this way. But on 99% of the time, it'll happen this way. So one thing I think most of you probably noticed is we have shifted gears a little bit on this channel. I feel like it used to be a general everyone couponing channel. I did matchups for like 12 different stores every week. And now it's really not that anymore. It is gearing more towards a Kroger channel. It is really where I feel like it's heading. Now, Walmart is still in it. Walmart deals are not going anywhere, guys. But for the bulk of the content, it is more Kroger based. And I did a poll not that long ago, and it said 48% of you only cared about Kroger. You don't watch anything else. So, of course, I'm going to put more time and resource into Kroger. So you'll see that throughout the schedule, filtered in throughout the schedule. But the main videos I wanted to let you know that are being chopped off the list. Insert previews are no longer going to be a part of this channel for the time being. By the time I got my insert previews up, you guys probably already found it from somebody else, and it kind of just felt like I was wasting my time. I know some of you guys are really going to miss those, but just the views on them wasn't, I don't want to say it wasn't worth it, but it kind of wasn't worth it when no one really cared. A few people would watch, but just not a lot of people, and so I just feel like it'd be better to put our resources into Kroger and just something really good, and I found a good replacement for that on Fridays. So yeah, let's just dive right into the schedule. Really, that's the only thing. I mean, midweek printables kind of left for a while, but it's not coming back either. It just wasn't doing what I wanted. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so tired. I wasn't really doing what I wanted it to do. So, yeah. Okay, Mondays are going to be fun. There are going to be multiple different things that could take place on a Monday. First up, Mondays are our coupon chat days, and as of now, I'm not planning on taking that anywhere. I really like coupon chat. I enjoy that. I'm passionate about that, but I want to shake it up a little bit and do a different thing on each Monday. So let's kind of talk about that. On the first Monday of the month will be a couponing story time. You guys just saw I did one yesterday about this Walmart that was crazy and said you couldn't use coupons after dark and just crazy stuff like that. And so I did a whole entire video about that. I like that. Okay, so the second and third Mondays will kind of be a mix-up. It could be one of two things. It could either be a couponing collab, which is basically a collab video I do with 6 other amazing YouTubers. Financial Phoenix, Kelsey B Saves, Belle Barton, True Bright Saves, Kaylee Saves Money, and Mama Big Coupons. So it could be one of those, or it could just be a regular coupon chat on any random given topic. Like, let's talk about glittering. Let's talk about time spent on couponing, blah, blah, blah. You know, it could be one of those things. Okay, the fourth Monday of the month at 7 a.m. will be a live stream announcement because that night at 8 p.m. I'm going to go live. We have moved the live streams to once a month just because it really got time consuming and I just couldn't. I enjoy them. I really do enjoy the lives. Like, those are probably one of my favorite videos ever. Right now, I'm not going to commit to do it every 2 weeks because life gets hectic, school gets hectic, and you guys' life get hectic. So it's probably easy for you to plan once a month. So jot it down in your planners or calendars or whatever that live streams will be on the fourth Monday of every month at 8 p.m. And finally, if there's a 5th Monday, which doesn't always happen, but if there is a 5th Monday, it'll be a wild card video, which basically means anything I randomly decide to do. It could be another coupon chat, or it could be something about my personal life even. I've thought of a couple tag videos I wouldn't mind doing that aren't couponing, but are just personal life, so I might try to incorporate that in there because I love doing couponing videos, but I really would love to even branch out and do more. Believe it or not, I'd like to even branch out and do more on Ohio Valley Couponer that's not just couponing. I know that sounds crazy, but I wouldn't be opposed to that. So, yeah, I might start introducing things on like the 5th Monday of the month. Okay, Tuesdays, all you have to expect is at 7 p.m. a couponing haul video. Just a haul, a basic haul. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Wednesdays will be Kroger deals and Kroger participating items if there is a participating items video. It depends on if there's a new mega or like a 5X event or something. If that's the case, there will be a participating items video. But if it's just a random Wednesday, just expect a Kroger deals video. Okay, and then Thursday will be a Kroger weekend sale alert at 7 a.m. like we do now. Always alerting you guys of the weekly sales. Okay, Fridays are a good day. So 7 a.m. we're bringing Kroger cheap meals. I know a lot of you guys have been like, Nick, we want this back. Come on, bring it back. And well, only one person's told me that, but I know a bunch of you said you really enjoyed it. So I do want to bring it back. I've just the last couple weeks, I've been just trying to get into a new routine with school, and I'm trying really hard to get adjusted and get on a schedule. I need to get on a schedule. I'm good at planning things and writing them down, but to tell you the truth, I'm actually not good at doing the things I plan to do. So I'm trying to get on a routine and a schedule and just hopefully get on a new groove for school. So cheat meals, I promise, is coming back this fall. And then 7 p.m. will be a haul video. Another haul. We do hauls twice a week. Okay, Saturday, another series. It's kind of been out for a couple weeks. Last Chance Printables, but it is on the way back. I love doing Last Chance Printables. I just love it, and I really want to bring it back for you guys. So that'll be up at 7 a.m. every Saturday. And then at some point during the day will be a Kroger Quick Flip and a Kroger Ad Preview. Now you might be like, whoa, what's that? Quick Flip, I've had some mixed comments on Quick Flip. To be honest, some of you guys really love Quick Flip, and some of y'all absolutely hate Quick Flip. Hate it with a passion. So I'm going to keep doing both, though. I think that it's beneficial. It takes me like 5 extra minutes to post Quick Flip, so I do Quick Flip, too. I just think it's good, and I like doing it. So we're going to keep doing Quick Flip. But ad previews, the normal ad previews aren't going anywhere. And then Sunday, here's a new series. So 9 a.m. we're doing our usual new printables video, the new printable coupons. You can always know to check by 9 a.m. And then at 12 p.m. on Sunday will be a new series, Kroger Click List Deals. Now, I'm always leery to start new things, but I hope a lot of you guys will really enjoy Click List. If you would enjoy seeing a video all about the special Click List deals, comment them down below and be like, Nick, I would love some focusing on Click List because I'm excited to bring it in. I think it's going to go well. I really, really do. So I'm hoping that we can get some light on this and get it going with a Click List series. So yeah, and then on a monthly basis, you guys can expect a first of the month printable coupons video. It don't matter if it's a Tuesday, a Saturday, a Sunday, whatever. There will be a first of the month printable coupons video. Always, always, always. And then also every month will be a monthly savings in review on a random day. There will be that video to add into the mix. Yeah, I don't know the day exactly, but it'll be there. So yeah, that is pretty much it. And there's always room for other videos. If I come up with an idea for a video and it doesn't exactly meet the criteria to schedule, I'm still going to post it. It'll just be an extra video. I'd love to make this more. I'm definitely, though, going to focus more on Kroger. I just feel like that is what you guys want. Now, Walmart's not going anywhere, as you guys can see, and Coupon Chat isn't either, or the printables, so it still is kind of a lifestyle channel, but I don't know. It's just kind of shifted gears a little bit into what exactly we're posting. I'm not focusing on doing Target or Meijer or any of that. It's just we're focusing on what I think you guys are here for, Kroger and Walmart. So yeah, that's all I have for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and let me know what you think of the schedule. Do you like the schedule? Do you hate the schedule? Any suggestions, tips, whatever, let me know. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.